Welcome to Fitness Notion YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about top 10 best foods to eat to lose weight. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to Fitness Notion channel for future updates. Most of us are always looking for ways to lose weight, and what we eat is often the first place we look. While we can all limit takeaways and treats to lose belly fat, it's also useful to know which foods help you burn fat and calories. Knowing that certain foods can help you lose weight faster is great, says Susie Sawyer, a clinical nutritionist. Knowing that certain foods can help you lose weight faster is great. Weight loss foods that burn fat. Number 10. Salmon. Salmon, a delicious lean fish rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, can help you lose weight fast. Salmon is a fantastic source of high-quality protein, says David Weiner, a nutritionist and training specialist at AI-powered fitness and lifestyle coaching app Freeletics. Salmon is also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and promote fat burning, and to help reduce weight and the stress hormone cortisol, which is linked to fat storage. In fact, one 2015 study found omega-3 friendly fats helped salmon is a fantastic source of high-quality protein. Number 9. Greek yogurt. Not only is Greek yogurt healthy and tasty, it also helps burn fat. Full-fat Greek yogurt can really help with fat burning, says Susie, a clinical nutritionist from Feel Alive UK. Full-fat Greek yogurt can really help with fat burning. Susie points out that the bacteria in the gut become more imbalanced as a person gains weight. This imbalance makes fat loss difficult overall. The amino acids, vitamin D, and calcium in Greek yogurt help burn fat, according to a Journal of Nutrition study. One University of Tennessee study proved it. Cut-calorie and yogurt-eating participants lost an incredible 81% more belly fat than their counterparts. Enough said. We'll be drizzling our granola and adding to our morning smoothies to reap the same benefits. Number 8. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate seems to be good for your body and your waistline. Win-win. Nutritionist David says it curbs sugar cravings, fills you up, and speeds up your metabolism. It contains monounsaturated fatty acids, which aid metabolism, says David. You will burn more calories as a result. However, when buying dark chocolate, check the ingredients as many still contain sugar. Moreover, studies show that giving into our midnight chocolate cravings may actually benefit us. Women who ate chocolate at night had a faster metabolism and lost weight around their middles after 2 weeks. According to a 2021 study, despite the weight loss, the researchers cautioned against overindulging in chocolate due to its high calorie content. Number 7. Broccoli. We recommend these cute little trees as one of the best fat-burning foods for weight loss. It is high in fiber and nutrients that keep your body burning fat, says MyProtein registered dietitian Claire Musalski. Calcium in broccoli is good for healthy joints and weight loss, say researchers. A University of Tennessee study found that calcium regulates fat metabolism and storage, and that more calcium in a fat cell means more fat burn. Meanwhile, researchers at Kanazawa University in Japan studied broccoli in depth. This powerful green vege's chemical sulforaphane has been linked to reducing belly fat, in addition to boosting metabolism. This chemical also helps reduce bloating after a salty meal. But be warned, steaming this green superfood maximizes its fat-burning properties, because steaming broccoli maximizes nutrient absorption. Of course, seasoned and brushed with olive oil, frying broccoli adds calories. Number 6. Nuts. According to nutritionist David, regularly eating nuts has many health benefits. Almonds are high in magnesium and healthy fats. These good fats also contain antioxidants that fight and repair inflammation-induced damage, he says. According to one U.S. study, almonds are a fat-burning superfood. Overweight people who ate almonds as part of a low-calorie diet lost 50% more fat overall and around their weight than those who didn't. The high protein content requires the body to use more energy during digestion, which helps boost metabolism and burn more calories. And one European Journal of Nutrition study found that those who ate nuts had a lower risk of gaining weight or becoming obese. That's good, but while Susie agrees that peanuts are tasty, they aren't considered fat-burning foods. Though nuts are very healthy, they are high in fat, but mostly healthy fats, and should be eaten in moderation, she adds. Number 5. Green tea. Drinking green tea can help you lose weight. This herbal tea is touted as one of the best fat-burning foods. It is known to be a fat burner. Susie says, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, an antioxidant, helps speed up metabolism. Plus, green tea contains caffeine, which has been shown to boost metabolism and fat burning when consumed before exercise. A German study found that the antioxidants in green tea promoted fat breakdown. The University of Birmingham found that men who took green tea extract before exercise burned 17% more fat than those who did not. To maximize your potential, drink it regularly before a workout. But, says dietitian Claire, you don't have to drink green tea to reap the benefits. A healthy metabolism can be supported by this nootropic tea, she says. Number 4. Eggs. Starting the day with a high-protein breakfast like eggs is great for weight loss. In a 2010 study, one male group ate an egg breakfast while the other ate a bagel breakfast. Those who ate eggs in the morning ate less throughout the day. This is great news for those watching their calorie intake. After 8 weeks, those on the egg diet lost over 30% around their waists and saw a decrease in overall body fat percentage. Why are eggs good for weight loss? Protein is the key, says Susie. Eggs are a high-protein food that can help you lose weight. Protein increases metabolic rate by up to 30% after eating high-quality protein. Furthermore, protein is required for muscle growth and maintenance, and muscle mass increases metabolic activity. Number 3. Avocado. Avocados are not a natural go-to when trying to burn fat and lose weight. As Susie correctly points out, research shows otherwise. In a 2019 study, eating an avocado daily as part of a calorie-controlled diet helped people lose weight. Another study found that people who ate avocado for breakfast or lunch were less likely to overeat the rest of the day. According to nutritionist Susie, avocados boost leptin, our appetite-suppressing hormone, making us feel fuller and more satisfied. She does warn against eating avocados with other high-fat foods. Fat may be stubborn to shift if you consume too much fat or calories from other foods while regularly eating avocados, nutritional powerhouses. In this case, little and often is the mantra to follow. Number 2. Beans. Sadly, our beloved Heinz baked beans are no more. Cannellini beans, in particular, are a popular fat-burning food. A 2011 study gave 50 obese adults twice daily white bean extract while on a low-fat diet. The bean research group lost more weight and had better blood sugar control. The alpha-amylase inhibitory properties of white beans like cannellini beans slow down carbohydrate absorption by inhibiting enzymes required for carbohydrate digestion. They don't cause a high blood sugar spike, which can lead to more fat storage. Number 1. Chicken. Be it breast, thigh, or drumstick, chicken has earned its place on our list of fat-burning foods. This popular poultry may help with weight loss. A University of Navarra study found that people who ate chicken regularly as part of a balanced diet lost significant weight, mainly due to fat mass loss. Dietitian Claire explains that chicken is high in protein. It takes more energy or calories to digest lean protein sources like chicken. She says significant weight, mainly due to fat mass loss. Another study found that chicken helps us feel full after eating. Its amino acids make our brains recognize we are full. Be aware that deep-fried chicken does not provide the same nutritional value and should only be eaten in moderation. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.